Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, this is Bashir Ahmad Malik, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you a topic that is the tempest first. As we have already discussed this topic in previous two lessons. Tempest First, written by William Shakespeare. Now, when Miranda told her father that why you have raised the tempest, later he explained him why he has raised this tempest, and he told her that he has raised this tempest for her sake. Now we will see what happened next in the lesson. "Come, my Ariel, come," said Prospero, waving his magic wand. Now, after that, Prospero waved his magic and he waved his magic wand. जो उसकी जादुई लाठी थी उसको उसने वेव किया, हवा में लहराया. And he told his servant Ariel, that was a spirit, who was a spirit, sorry. He told him, "Come and come." Ariel appeared. Now after that, Ariel appeared before him. Appear means नमोदार होना. The opposite of appear is disappear, गायब हो जाना. "Here I am, master," he said. Now Ariel told his master, "Oh master, I am ready, whatever you want to do, whatever you ask him to do, and he is ready for that. I am ready to go wherever you ask me to go and what to do, whatever you want. Have you performed the task I gave you?" Prospero asked Ariel, have he performed his task, what he has given to him? "Yes, master, I have done everything just as you commanded me." Ariel told him, "Yes, master, I have done whatever task you have put him. He has performed his task. I attacked the ship with storm, fire, and thunder." Ariel told Prospero that he has attacked the ship. He attacked the ship with thunder, fire and thunder, storm मैंने तूफान से, आंधी से, गरजने से, लाइटनिंग से उस शिप को अटैक किया. Till the sailors gave up in despair. Till they lose their heart, and they were disappeared. They lose their heart. They felt helpless. Not a single person in the ship kept his head. A single person is feeling helpless. No person shows his head in the ship. The king's son Ferdinand leaped into the sea, and the son of the king Ferdinand, he jumped into the sea. उसने जंप लगाया समंदर के अंदर. Now he is sitting sadly in a corner of the island. Now he is sitting at the corner of the island. He is thinking about his father, whom he believed that he may have drowned in the sea. Thinking that his father is drowned. वो सोच रहा है कि मेरा बाप डूब चुका होगा. Meanwhile, in another part of the island, the king, your brother, and the others are looking for Ferdinand. Now, meanwhile, the father of the Ferdinand, your brother Antonio, and others who are also in the ship, they are still thinking about the Ferdinand, whom they also believe that he may have drowned in the sea. They are still thinking about the Ferdinand. As for the ship, I have brought it safely to the harbor. As far as the ship is concerned, which was struggling in the hard waves of the sea, Prospero told Ariel told Prospero that he has brought this ship safely to the harbor. मैंने उस जहाज को आराम के साथ सेफली पर You have performed your task perfectly, said Prospero. Now Prospero told Ariel that you have done a great job. You have performed your task. You have done your work, whatever he has been told, you have done that. Now we have some very important work on our hands. Now we have some more important work. Now we have a very important work to do. The time between now and evening is precious for both of us. The time starts now, and the time between now and evening is a very precious time, it is a very valuable time for both Ariel and Prospero. More work, sir. Let me remind you of the promise you gave me, namely to give me my freedom. Now, Prospero, this Ariel told Prospero that, sir, why are you asking me to do some more work? You have promised me that after completion of this work, you will set me free, you will release me, you will give me freedom. What? Said Prospero angrily. Now, after listening this, Prospero was very much angry. He told Ariel, what? Why are you asking for the freedom? How dare you ask for freedom before the time is out? You are asking me for your freedom. The time is not out now. अभी तो वक्त नहीं आया है आपकी आज़ादी का. इससे पहले ही आप मुझे अपनी आज़ादी के बारे में बोलते हो. Where would you be put for me, but for me? If I have not saved you, where would you be? अगर आपको मैंने बचाया ना होता आप कहाँ होते? Have I to remind you how I released you from the pine tree? Now I have to remind you that how you have been released from the pine tree. You are in a pine tree, and Sycorax has imprisoned you, and how Prospero helped you and take you out of this pine tree and released you. I am sorry, master. I will obey you willingly, said Ariel. Now, after listening these words, Ariel once again told his master that I am sorry for that, sir. I will obey you. I will command you. I will carry out your I will carry out your instructions. Good, said Prospero. After 2 days, I will set you free. Now, after that, Prospero told Ariel that after 2 days, he is going to release him. He is going to release him. He will set him free. Meanwhile, carry out your task with a good heart. But meanwhile, you have to do your duty. You have to perform your task very heartily. Then Prospero told him what he should do. Now, after that, Prospero told him whatever he has to do. And away went Ariel happily. Now Ariel went happily because he has once again got the promise from the Prospero that after 2 days he is going to release him to the place where Ferdinand sat weeping over his father's death. And Ariel went to that place where the Ferdinand was weeping for his father's death. Now, up to this is the end of this Tempest first, and after that we will see in the next lesson Tempest second, what happened to Ferdinand, what happened to Miranda, what happened to Prospero, Antonio, Gonzalo, etc. And we will see after that. Now, till then we came to know that Ariel raised the tempest, and he has brought all the enemies of Prospero, and the father is on one corner and his son Ferdinand is on the another corner. Both are thinking that perhaps they are drowned in the sea. Now I think this is sufficient for today. Here are some words. You can find the meaning of these words. These are the antonyms. These are in the synonymous word meaning. So I think this is sufficient for today. Thank you.